I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure software and accounts aren't the problem. Update the Ps5 system now and let any background installs finish. This fixes protocol mismatches. Sign into the account hosting Shareplay and confirm PlayStation Plus or required permissions are active, because without that you can't join. Then check NAT type in network settings, type 3 block sessions. Once done, reboot the console and router to clear stale network sessions before moving to the next step. Next, you tackle the middle ground, networking and account state. Switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz connection to reduce dropouts, because Shareplay needs steady bandwidth. Enable UPnP on your router or forward PlayStation ports 3478, 3480 TCP/UDP to the Ps5 IP. This resolves blocked incoming sessions. Sign out of PSN and sign back in to refresh credentials, and if possible, try another friend or account to see if the problem is connection-specific. Finally, you complete the process and verify session stability. From the control center, start a fresh Shareplay session and invite the friend directly. Avoid reusing old invites since tokens expire. Close any background games or apps on both consoles to free CPU and bandwidth, because contention causes connection failure. If it still fails, have your friend host Shareplay instead or create a new party to force a session reset. This often clears stubborn handshake errors. If problems remain, power cycle both consoles and routers as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.